It's been a while since I've seen you guys, so I just want to kind of see who we have in the room. How many of you are new to the business within the last 3 years? You've been in the business for over 5 years. How many over 10? How many over 15? Okay, so those of us over 15ers, how many shifts have we been through, right? This is not the first time, it's not the second time, it's my third. And the reality is shifts happen. And you're constantly going through a shift. Some just feel better than others as we go, because you are never stagnant in this business, and you will actually spend more time in the normalcy of a market, which is where we're headed, than you do on the ups and then you do on the downs. So I like to start with some funnies just because it's funny. This is actually really pertinent to the shift. Agents will literally spend 6 months building out their podcast studio instead of making calls. Y'all, this shift is about conversations. And if you can't have them, you will not make it through. If I boil everything down to what we talk about today and give you one piece of advice, meet with everyone you can, talk to everyone you can. They will not be buyers tomorrow. Do not be disturbed by that, because when they are ready, if you're the person having the conversations, then they will trust you and be ready to move forward. We business develop now at the Houston Properties team for what we're expecting in 9 months. So if we expect today that person I talked to who may have just signed up on our website and have an inquiry, I don't expect that person to buy today. It's great if they do, and we call those gifts from the real estate gods. But that's not what our normal business is. So the sooner that you can get your mind around, get out of your podcast studio and doing all the other things that I'm going to build a different mousetrap, I'm going to build a different box. You got to be in contact. It's a contact sport. And so if I can leave you with nothing else, the more you meet with, the better off you're going to be.